Just a few miles north of Charlotte, there's the place where the pace of the city fades away. This is Latta Nature Preserve, one of the largest protected natural areas in Mecklenburg County, right here in Huntersville, North Carolina. I visited on Christmas Day, and surprisingly, it felt more like early fall than winter. The weather was warm enough for a t-shirt, and the trails were full of color, sunlight and quiet moments. More than 1,400 acres of forest, shoreline and open water surround Mountain Island Lake, creating a landscape that feels far removed from the busy roads nearby. The preserve offers miles of hiking and horseback riding trails, boat access, wildlife viewing, and countless places to simply slow down and take in the scenery. Even in the middle of winter, the views from above tell a different story. The lake, the forests, and the winding shoreline create a landscape that remains beautiful in every season. Some people come here to hike, others come to paddle, fish, or spend time with family. And sometimes the best thing to do is nothing at all. Just walk, sit for a while, watch the water, listen to the wind moving through the trees. Places like this area are a reminder that you don't have to travel far to find a little space, a little quiet, and a different view of North Carolina. This is Latta Nature Preserve in Huntersville, just outside Charlotte.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Beatty's Ford Road. At the stop sign, turn left onto Beatty's